The ViaTerra quick release strap hooks are now available in 3 different sizes, M6, M8 and M10, which corresponds to the most commonly used sizes of bolts used at key mounting points across most motorcycles. The mounting hook itself remains the same on all 3 variants. What changes are the mounting holes and the hardware. So how do you find the right one for your bike? You simply need to identify the point where you want to mount the hook and check the size of the bolt that it already has. For example, if you want to mount the ViaTerra strap hook at the same point as the pillion grab handle, remove the stock bolt and check its size. You can do this using a vernier caliper for more precision or for a bit more loose-handedly if that's good enough for you. If it's an M8 bolt, you can order the corresponding M8 variant of the quick release strap hooks. You should then be able to slide these under the grab rail and secure them in place using the same stock fastener. If the mounting points you select uses an M6 or M10 fastener, the corresponding variant will offer similar seamless compatibility for that point. Don't forget to use the included thread locker during installation. All versions of the quick release strap hook continues to include stainless steel washers and fasteners. So if you choose to drill and create a custom mounting position, you can always do that too. If you want to know more about the product, please do visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things motorcycling.